Hey everyone, I'm going to be reviewing something very different today. I'm definitely not an impulsive buyer, but when I saw the advertisement while scrolling through my Instagram feed, I knew I had to buy it just for the collectible factor. It took 3 weeks to get here from China and only cost me $75, which I thought was pretty cheap considering the delivery time. Because this is not one of my stronger areas of research at the moment, this will be more of a visual, hands-on review for those of you who are thinking about buying one of these. So if I mispronounce or say something wrong, you'll know why. I have no idea who sourced these elements or how it was made, but obviously each item was hand applied, so no two orders will look exactly the same, which means the text or atomic number within certain blocks might be covered up by an element. I'm still trying to figure out what or where this piece should be. It's the only element out of place, and I'm thinking it's actually nitrogen because 11 of these elements, including nitrogen, are gases, and I have everything else but that one. If so, I don't know how it got halfway across the table, but I guess beggars can't be choosers. The description did mention certain elements were radioactive but would be safe to handle. I'll take their word for it, as you can see bromine and uranium both glow in the dark. You'll also notice that each block with a hazardous symbol is empty. It's because those elements are either extremely rare, extremely radioactive, or both, such as promethium. Overall, I think this is a very interesting and collectible item that's great for visual learners and really brings the 2D image to life. If you enjoyed these types of videos, let me know in the comments below or leave me a thumbs up on your way out. Thanks for watching.